wait. Na chere. Become my job.
Chifimo. Ogini. Iwolo en Sabbath.
Our Sabbath. Oh, we don't Sabbath. Oh, man, my hair kweshiri to every event. In every event you step into, you're supposed to know what to wear to any event. Gigawa, even the native doctors in a meeting. Give my gapare. Tenzunanya. Imago teneseme. Even the pastors in again. Give you a suit. Bogatai. Then Gigawa the white wedding itself. Or white wedding himself. You have to dress on white so that people that will behold unto your acrimony, they will know that yes, you are ready for the white wedding. I can't be a white wedding in my brother. Because everybody know what
you already know what
Eba wo Omongakwo Omoba Orata or where not LGA.
Onyawa.
We're back. Now I got you can't mention I came family. A family, Mr. and Mrs. Bright of Rome. Mr. and Mrs. Bright of Rome. According Sebe. Because Hayana Bright of Rome na family Ela here. Chief Emmanuel Sobire and Celestine Sobire. Okwaji our mama Oru East LGA. Mohana boya nwa na nwa ha nwoke. Kenwaye wo ebere echi ofurum na Chidi Sobire ha na eme marriage tawo 1st of May 2022. Hawele anya n'ime obodo niile, every community agra, they will now look into that community and they will behold an oppressed mother has to know, come and represent my people. Ha bom na phone. Fimo, you are the representative of your community. You know, so I was invited to the white wedding. Please show me the way. Let me venture into it because today I call to come and eat or I call to eat and come. Any of the above.
Address I want in how traditional wedding or the white wedding. I am ready to get white. Take powder in traditional wedding came me go white.
Listen, Nemo. They gave me. I saw color of the day: white, gold, pink. I intentionally chose just one color because I want to be different. I want to be ultra-modern.
Hey.
That is the reason I chose to wear white. I never knew that the colors all traditional wedding. Hey, oh, Jabi Bo. Who told you I can never, will never? If I enter anybody that doesn't like me, he should shift from my placenta.
Hell,
wedding now on the 1st of May. All friends and well wishers. Oh yeah, this our brother named wedding. Ella here. He is the Lord in here. Oh we are with the because he will carry. Onya we should mad. Oh we are here na papa na ebe obi na obodo oyibo owo ana akpa felaji obere chukwu 1 felaji obere chukwu 1 oh ihe obere chukwu ya small god ya kwanu the CEO of 18 Up Golden Hotels kenona wo mama yes 18 up now from age of 18 up when na Ghana hotel give below 18 ganga ha kokokoko ewura ka ntamra na number so anybody from 18 up should venture into that hotel. Yes, all that got a banana around. If I want me 18 up. So today is the wedding. I hope you are coming.
I am
Go coming. Get yourself prepared and venture into it. Otherwise, them you.